Guys, Chris again, and today is the day of short videos, and again it's a little hack for you Clubcard users, and this is something I started using recently and it's really good. So if whether or not you've got the Amex card from British Airways, you want to make sure that you earn Avios wherever you can, and I was talking about how you can do this by installing the British Airways Executive Club ad, where you shop at restaurants or shops and you get Avios on top of either your British Airways credit card. But of course, there's another way as well, and that's the conversion of Tesco Clubcard Points to Avios. Now, why do I say this is a hack? Well, to be honest, guys, because up until recently I've got a Clubcard card in my wallet, and most of the time I found myself, I tap the phone because it's easier, right? So I'm missing out on Clubcard points, which in retrospect means that I'm losing out on Avios. So in order to not run into this problem again, there is a beautiful app, and that's called Tesco Pay Plus. Now, what is Tesco Pay Plus? Tesco Pay Plus kills two birds in one stone. So first of all, you link your Clubcard account, and then you can link a credit card. Now, in my case, I linked my Gold card, but you can link your British Airways Premium Plus card, whatever, or your MasterCard, whatever you have. So, how it works now, when you start the Pay Plus app, you've got a barcode, and it will tell you which card it is, and it will also show you your Clubcard points. So, the way it works, at the checkout, you've got an option for Tesco Pay Plus. So, if you hit Tesco Pay Plus, you start your app on the phone, and you scan the barcode on the scale scanner. And what it does, it builds your credit card, so you get your Amex reward points, but it also gives you the Tesco Clubcard points, so you will never pay and forget your Tesco Clubcard points. And you can use your phone, I think, up to £250. And I've tried it recently. I went to the petrol station, fueled up the car, it was around £80. And I used Tesco Pay Plus, and it worked through. It just scanned, I didn't have to enter any details. So that's really quite handy. So you will never forget to get your Tesco Clubcard points, which you can then convert into British Airways Avios. So again, a little day-to-day hack. I find it very useful. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.